saints and the sinners, losers and winners. Sometime the rain gonna fall. All the bad and the good, the misunderstood. Storms will come to us all. Well, I found the answer from heartache to cancer. I thank Him in spite of the pain. Most when I started praising, things began to change by learning to dance in the rain. I'm learning to smile when I feel like crying, to live every day as if I were dying. I'm learning the lesson, praising God through the pain. I'm learning to stand when my heart is breaking, to hold to the cross when my hands are shaking, Lord, through it all. I'm learning to dance in the rain. When the clouds start to gather, bringing bad weather, there's no silver lining inside. When your prayers have been prayed and the answer delayed, and you're holding on for your life, whether you walk on water or if you falter, He'll be there when you call His name. And you'll get the victory and you'll solve the mystery by learning to dance in